Hey, how's it going? Just want to give you a tour of my crib. So this is the entryway. It's pretty elegant. I want to show you the garage where I keep my whips. They're all in the shop right now. Yeah, so I'm just getting them fixed up. Normally it's full. Check this out. Security access. Very safe. Very safe. Dual security access. Ultra safe. Ultra safe. Now we're going into the main hallway here. We got some crazy magnetic fields going on left to the MRI systems. So if I ever break a leg, I can just get it all scanned up right here in house. Got another one over here, 2 MRIs. I got one for my friends. My friends want to come over and get scanned. And I'm gonna show you the bathroom because that's where it's at. It's real nice. I can't show you the code, but you gotta punch in a little code to get in here. This is the bathroom and my closet. It's for men only, so that means you can't come in this bathroom. Maybe I'll let you see this video. I'm not quite sure about that. So we got the toilet over here. We got the sink and the mirror with the automatic dispensers. Look at that. Single stall shower. Even got this little seat right here. Look at that. So I can take a seat while I shower. I don't have to stand up when I shower. It's fucking awesome. Wow, I'm being really weird. Let me show you my closet right here. Number 102. Keeping it simple, keeping it simple. Got my toiletries up here so I can take that into the shower and get all fresh in the morning. On this level, I got more toiletries, some Q-tips, and some mouthwash. You gotta stay fresh. You gotta stay fresh. We got my clothes right here. Make these custom wood grain shells. I installed those myself. Yeah. All right. Just grabbing some equipment here. Ugh. We're going into the living room, bedroom. It's a little dark in here right now. Hope you can still see this. But this is what we got going on. I'm going to switch it up here. Okay, never mind. I can't switch it. Let me show you right here. We got 2 computers. We got 1 laptop. We got 1 desktop. We got this yoga mat down on the floor right here. And I can just set up my sleeping bag. Got the sleeping bag right here. Just set that up just like this. Just fold it out, roll it out just like that. Yep, we got it going down right here. This is where magic happens now. Got the sleeping bag just all sprawled out here on the ground. I don't know if you can see that. Let's get some light on that so you can see that. Oh shit. The light just went out. Whew. Alright, we're back. So this is what I was trying to show you right here. This is where the magic happens. Yeah, right here, right on this. Right there. Yeah. It's nylon. Nylon sheets. Some old purple pillows. I haven't washed them in a while, but they're good. I promise. So I just sleep like this underneath my desk. I can plug in my phone. Look, I got my phone plug in right here. Just plug that in. Good to go. Set my alarm in the morning. Life's sweet.